I've been pushing work all summer.
What's up? Is your girl Danielle, and in today's video I just wanted to answer a few questions. I've been getting a lot of people asking me about what are some things that I noticed first when I started taking collagen. Which brand of collagen did I start off taking? Alright, that's simple. The very first brand of collagen that I started off with was Neocell Super Collagen. And I like this brand, and I still take it as of today. I'm still taking this. I've tried other brands, and I find myself coming back to this one for right now. And I prefer the unflavored simply because I love the convenience of mixing it in with my coffee, tea, smoothie, shakes, different recipes. It just has so many options for using the powdered form of the collagen, and I prefer the unflavored. How long did you take collagen before you notice or any results? Now guys, I would say I took collagen for at least, I would say about 6 weeks before I noticed anything. So if you're looking for a quick fix, if you're looking to see changes within you right away, you may not. It takes a little bit of time for it to get in your body and start working. So I'm gonna say give it about at least 6 to 8 weeks before you see any changes in your skin or any changes in your body. And one more question that I have a chance to answer right now. All right. What was the first thing that I noticed as far as changes in my body or my skin? So the first thing that I noticed when I determined that this collagen thing was working for me, the first thing I noticed was my skin just had a glow to it. And I can't explain it. I was just glowing. And everyone said to me, and they looked like, what are you doing? Your skin is just glowing. And that was the only thing that I was doing differently. I wasn't taking anything other than the collagen. And that's when I realized, wow, this thing is working, as I noticed that my skin was glowing. And then suddenly I noticed that my skin just started looking a little more refined. I haven't been focused on my hair and my nails, but because I am breastfeeding, I then noticed that my baby girl, her hair started to pick up. Her hair started growing, and her fingernails, guys, is growing like crazy. For today, I hope that this video was helpful to somebody out there. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And guys, don't forget to share this video with a friend or two. Remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time,